can run, you can hide, but you cannot escape the Barbie fever. Just look at how Kiara Advani has wholeheartedly embraced her Barbie core era. The stunning diva turned showstopper for Falguni and Shane Peacock at the ongoing FDCI India Couture Week 2023 in Delhi on Tuesday, and she slayed. Her pink bralette really looked striking with the plunging neckline and an asymmetric cropped hem embellished with beaded tassels. The matching skirt with sparkling sequin embellishments had a snatched high-rise waistline, a figure-hugging silhouette, a risque thigh-high slit on the front which looked jaw-dropping. The long train at the back made this whole ensemble look even better. Kiara, like always, opted for no accessories and just wore a holographic peep-toe high heels, and we must say that after her wedding look, this is our second most favorite pink look of hers. Anyway, in love with the Barbie trend are more Bollywood celebs. Bhumi Pednekar kicked off her birthday celebrations as Barbie in a pink bedazzled shirt held together with a single button. She paired it with a matching pair of relaxed pants. The best part of her look was how she styled the look with a pink scarf and a pink tote bag from Balmain. And while Mouni Roy didn't go for pink, she still looked like a real Barbie doll. She looked stunning in a radiant red dress by Kate Spade. Her dress had a vibrant red bodice with a voluminous striped skirt which looked very eye-catching. The bubblegum heels, high pony hairstyle and doll-like poses made her look like the whole package. Sharvari Wagh is also in her own Barbie world, and these pictures are proof. Her strapless floral printed gown looked so pretty, and her sleek high ponytail hairstyle added an extra touch of elegance. Mrunal Thakur too gave us Barbie energy in this sexy bodycon dress with a thigh-high slit. Hence proved, pink is really the color of the season and Barbie era is here to stay. What do you think? Comment below and do subscribe to Showstopper for all things trendy and of course, pink.